Hello everyone, my name is Gabriela Perez and I am an educator at the Bruce Museum. Today I would like to thank you for joining us for our Digital Family Day. Before we get started, I will give you a quick overview of our exhibition, The Amazon Rainforest, Beauty, Destruction, Hope. This exhibition tells the story of a sprawling ecosystem on the verge of collapse and the efforts being made to save it. Visitors will marvel at the beauty of the Amazon through sublime photography, live animal displays, and fascinating taxidermy. Taxidermy is the technique of preserving an animal's body after the animal dies of natural causes. Many museums, such as the Bruce Museum, use taxidermy in various ways. Scientists use taxidermy to study and record animals and to feature in exhibitions such as this one. The taxidermies featured in this exhibition are of animals that could be found in the Amazon today, including a howler monkey, a jaguar, and a Morpho butterfly. Here is a picture of the Morpho butterfly shown in this exhibition. The Morpho butterfly is one of the largest butterflies in the world, with a wingspan reaching almost 8 inches. For this reason, I thought it would be fun to create our own Morpho butterflies out of paper plates. Let's get started. For this activity, you will need paper plates, scissors, different shades of blue tissue paper, a glue stick, and a black marker or coloring pencil. Let's begin by drawing a large V and a small V on our paper plates. Like this. Then take your scissors and cut along the lines. Next, rip your tissue paper into small pieces and glue them directly on your butterfly, covering the center part of the plate. Our last step will be drawing and adding details to the body and wings using our black marker or coloring pencil. You've created such a beautiful and vibrant Morpho butterfly. Thank you for joining us for our Digital Family Day. I hope you enjoyed making this activity as much as I did. If you would like to share with us what you've created during this program, with your adults' permission, upload your image using our hashtag #BruceMuseum. For more digital content from the Bruce Museum, please visit our website www.brucemuseum.org. Bye, friends!